There are quite a few different ways that dancers will count out jive, so I'll go ahead and chant it out as we move along so that it's easier. Just let's just like one shot, boom, perfectly. Okay, here we go. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. In this video, I have prepared the followers' basic steps for fun dynamic Latin dance, jive. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and begin with the proper posture for jive. Since jive is a Latin dance, we are going to keep a beautiful Latin dance posture throughout the whole time. For our feet, we are going to keep our heels together and toes slightly apart. Ankles, knees, hips, and shoulders are nicely stacked up. Abs engaged, chest open, shoulders down. From there, imagine someone is pulling you up straight towards the sky so you feel elevated on the upper body. Now it is time for us to focus on our steps. We're going to go ahead and step back with our right foot, replace our weight back to the left, bring our right foot to the side, bring it together, and step once again to the side with the right foot. This time we're going to step side to the left, bring it together, and finally drop down our left foot to the side. Let's go ahead and try from the top one more time. Back, replace, side together, side, side together, side. One more time. Rock, step, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Let's go ahead and discuss the footwork for this basic step. I'll chant it out as we move along so it's easy for you guys to retain it as we go along. Ball flat, ball flat, ball, ball, ball flat, ball, ball, ball flat, ball flat, ball flat, ball, ball, ball flat, ball, ball, ball flat. Very good. Now let's go ahead and discuss the timing of jive. I'm going to chant out the different ways that dancers will count out jive for you guys as we dance along, so it's easier for you guys to hear it and count it out together. Slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Very good. Now it is time for us to try together to the music. Nice posture. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Elevate. Keep our feet light. Good job, guys. Now it is time for us to discuss the techniques of jive. Jive is a very characteristic in a way that is such a happy dance. So number one goal is to smile as we dance jive. As you learn more and more jive, you're going to realize that we jump quite a bit. So keeping a nice elevated posture throughout the whole time you're jumping back and forth is going to be the key point in jive. One of the ways that we emphasize the jumpiness of jive is a high knee, guys. So when you're doing the rock step, bring your knee up high using the abs engagement, right? So when you're doing the rock step with the right, I'm going to, at end count, bring my knee up with a sense of engagement on my lower ab. So it's really important that we are being proactive with the knee up right before the rock step even happens, guys. So try and pay attention to the music. Instead of bringing up our knee right on the count, try and be a little bit sooner than the 1 count before you begin the rock step. For the triple steps, side by side, we're going to engage what is known as a sway motion. We briefly talked about it during our swing basic step as well as the leader's jive basics. So if you haven't checked it out, make sure to check it out in case there's more information on the sway motion that you might be missing out in this video. I'm going to go ahead and introduce the sway motion real quick. We are going to lead with the shoulder followed by our hip. shoulder, hip, side by side. And this concept gets applied as you're doing the side together side step. So we do the elevated rock step, shoulder, hip, and shoulder, hip, and elevated rock step. 1 at 2, 3 at 4, rock step. 1 at 2, 3 at 4, rock step. If you're trying the Jive basic step for the first time, I'd focus on getting the basic step to the beat of the song first. And as you get more and more comfortable, I would highly recommend you guys trying out this high knee, elevation, and the sway motion to bring out the characteristics of this happy dance. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys had a wonderful time trying out this fun happy dance Jive with me. If you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future dance videos. I look forward to seeing you guys next week with another fun dance. Bye!